Sangha, Bhikkhu Sangha, who are knowledgeable in Pariyatti, or who are practicing meditation, who have already practiced meditation, do a day, jhana, mega, phala, nibbana. Then it will be beneficial for the donor. Then for the benefit of offerings or kuti, then no one can describe. Only the Buddha can describe the benefit of the donation of kuti. Okay? So, then it is very beneficial for the offering of the kuti donation. Okay, there is a brief explanation. During the Buddha times, regarding the offering of the kuti donation, Sarah also told about one bhikkhu's story, Tina Kuti Dayaka Thera. You know, during the Buddha times, one son from rich family went to the monastery to listen to the Buddha's Dhamma. Then the Buddha preached the Dhammas to them. Then he revered and respected the Buddha. Then finally, he was ordained as a monk under the Buddha. Then while listening to the Buddha's Dhamma, then he also practiced meditation. Then he became Arahanta within short times. When he became an Arahanta, then many people were surprised with his condition. That means to become Arahanta, sure, need to practice meditations for a long time, is it? But for him, it is very easy to become Arahanta. With listening to the Buddha's Dhamma, with practicing of meditation, only short times. What is the reason? They wanted to know. That is why they also requested the Buddha to tell about his story. Then the Buddha also encouraged him